So few topic is left there. So please listen it carefully. One activity is there to learn the correct use of clinical thermometer. How should we use clinical thermometer while we are having fever? First, we have to clean it thoroughly with an antiseptic solution. Then, give a few jerk so that the mercury level falls down. Then, place the thermometer under the tongue of your mouth and hold it for 1 or 2 minutes. Sometimes we also put the thermometer under our arm. Then take it out from the mouth or armpit and then read the temperature by keeping it at your side. That means the level will be same. And note down the thermometer scale or temperature which is shown by the mercury level. So what is the observation? On putting the thermometer in the mouth, the mercury level rises, and for normal body it is 37 degrees Celsius or 97 degree Fahrenheit. Above more than that, that means we are having fever. And jerking of thermometer is also essential because there is a kink. So after taking it out from the body, the mercury level does not go down. So we have to give jerk. Some precautions are there while using a clinical thermometer. It should be thoroughly washed with antiseptic solution. Always we have to give jerks. Never hold the thermometer from the bulb. Then carefully rotate it to keep the level of mercury clearly visible. We have to rotate the thermometer so that the mercury level will be visible. As the mercury is lustrous, it is gray color, so the marking will be there. We have to see it properly. All of you must have clinical thermometer at your home. So take it out and try to try to note down the reading. And it should be kept safely as it is fragile because it is breakable. It can be broken down if it falls. So we have to keep it safely. The next is laboratory thermometer. As already I have explained, it is used to measure the temperature of the object in the laboratory. The marking is from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Again, the activity is there to understand the use of laboratory thermometer. Take 2 beakers, tap water, hot water, a laboratory thermometer. Then pour some hot water in a beaker and immerse the laboratory thermometer. Inside this liquid, the bulb should be immersed in it. Now observe the mercury level as it is laboratory thermometer. So we have to note the level while we are using it. While it is inside the liquid, then only we have to note down the reading. Because there is no kink, so as soon as we take it out, the mercury level falls down. Then keep it in the tap water or normal water and again note down the temperature. What is the observation? The two readings should be compared and we will predict the difference in the temperature of tap water and hot water. And next is the difference between clinical and laboratory thermometer, which already I have explained.